I truly can't believe how fast time is going. I feel like just a few days ago, I made a video talking about how amazing August was. And here we are at the final week of September. Today is Monday, September 25th. I want to give you guys a summary of how today went with my funded accounts, but also rewind to Friday, give you overall summary of last week since I never got to do a proper recap for that. Also, thank you guys so much for all the amazing support. A lot of views, a lot of likes on all the videos, a lot of comments, a lot of new subscribers. So welcome to my channel. And also, of course, thank you for using my affiliate code with Apex and with Quantower. Really appreciate it. And you don't have to use my code, but you are using it. And I really, really do appreciate you guys for doing that. Apex is still running 80% off till Wednesday. So if you need some accounts, don't forget to stash them up. I bought a bunch over the weekend and I just want to have a bunch of accounts at like 5-6 days. And then when I need to pass them, I don't have to wait 7 days. That is going to be my trick moving forward. I feel like I always end up buying more accounts anyway, so might as well buy them and then, open and close a trade, at least have them traded a few days already when I start trading it seriously. But anyway, that's just my tactic. If you're not familiar with how I'm keeping track of my funded accounts, I'm using this spreadsheet that I created. It's all manual, so you could do it yourself. But once I scroll down, the columns disappear. So I just want to rewind back and tell you guys what they mean. So the first column is the starting balance for all of my accounts. So however many accounts I have that day, some days I'll lose accounts, so then the amount of accounts goes down, or some days I'll add accounts, so the amount of accounts goes up. So like here I had 2 accounts, right? So that's the starting balance for that account. Each account is individually listed. Then the daily P&L is basically how much money I made net profit that day. And again, starting balance on your Rhythmic or on your platform will say cash on hand. That's how much you have. And I only count anything that's over the initial balance on Apex and anything that's over the safety net on Bulenox, since you cannot take out the initial balance until you actually close your account with Bulenox. So I'm not counting that as my profit. But then the starting balance for all accounts, it's the same thing. It's just I combine everything together just to see how much cumulative profit I have in all my accounts at a given time. And then I do a daily gain loss here, and then weekly gain loss over here. So that combines the whole week. So let's go over last week. All right. So it was a bittersweet week because I got the big payout with Apex from early September, right? So early September, we requested a payout, and then there was a whole deal situation going on. So everything got delayed, but finally last week got the payout. Then I also requested a new payout with Apex for another 6,000 on Wednesday, and by end of Wednesday, I got it approved, which was great. And then on Friday, I requested my first ever payout with Bulenox for one of my accounts, so that's also exciting. Bulenox works a lot different than Apex, so I'm excited to see how the payouts do actually work out with Bulenox. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a video on that when I do receive the payout. For now, I just requested it, and it should be arriving in my bank account on Wednesday, or at least should be processed on Wednesday. So I took out the withdrawal on Wednesday, and I didn't have a lot of cushion in those 3 accounts. Therefore, I needed a green day on Thursday, which I did make a recap on Thursday, and I had a red day on those accounts. And I said that I would not be surprised, and on Friday I lost those accounts. Well, here comes Friday. So Thursday I had a red day. I made a recap on that. And then Friday, I had a small green day. I made $741, but I did lose 3 of those accounts. Now, it does suck that I lost these 3 accounts because the opening trade that I do take at the open worked out perfectly fine. It was a beautiful open. And for some reason, these 3 accounts did not trade. I really thought they did trade. I put on the trades and I have no idea. I didn't screen record, so I don't know what happened. But since I was taking smaller size on these 3 accounts, I traded them independently from the other 2 groups. I was trading 3 groups, and I was using Quantower 3 different charts and different copy groups, right? For some reason, this group didn't trade, didn't copy. I have no idea what I did. I thought I did everything right. Maybe I traded an evaluation by mistake. I have no idea, but couldn't figure it out. And when I logged into Rhythmic to check my balance, it said 0 for the day, and I was really upset. Not a lot, I was upset in the sense where like, oh, that's a bummer, because I really needed that green day, and it was super easy to grow the cushion, with that kind of price action that we had on Friday. But I decided to keep trading that account more on a price action level and my old habits or my old style of trading. And I took a couple losses here and there, and then eventually ended up losing the accounts. I had no drawdown left. It was very hard to climb back, and basically lost whatever was left in those accounts. But these accounts did total for 12K worth of payouts. So still not bad, but this is exactly why I do prefer to do monthly fees and not lifetime fees for my PA accounts. I do have some that are lifetime, but I do prefer to just go with $85 a month versus 140 because, or 150, whatever it is, because when you do get those payouts, if you do have to pay the $85 again, it's very easy to do. But if you lose the account, then one account doesn't matter. But when you do 10 accounts, when you do 20 accounts, and you add up the math on how much you would have spent if you just spent $85 a month versus $140 a month, it really adds up to a substantial difference. Therefore, for me, until I'm able to keep these accounts for much longer than 2 months, 3, 4, 5 payouts, 6 payouts, 3 months, and so on, then I'll do lifetime. But for now, I was not able to do that yet. So why am I gonna risk paying lifetime for all of them when I think $85 a month is okay? If I'm profitable, $85 a month is nothing. If I'm not profitable, it's a lot better. If I'm not profitable on that account, to say it's much better to just pay $85 and then lose that plus whatever you paid for the evaluation. It's a lot cheaper that way. And again, the cheaper we keep this, the better it is. So I did not leave myself a lot of cushion on those accounts. So I took out the cushion, right? Then I had a losing day, so I lost more of the cushion. And then the last day, I just couldn't do it. So that is what sucks. But at the same time, the payout is more important, especially in the beginning stages. So now I took out over $20,000 from Apex over a couple of months. So I think now I'm going to try to focus on growing a bigger cushion. I'm not going to try to take out the maximum if I don't have, let's say at least $35 to $4,000 of cushion in that account. We'll see, but that's going to be probably the plan moving forward, just so I don't have to reset and remake new accounts. But anyway, still finished the day green. I tried a new strategy after I lost these accounts just to kind of get back on the green. And I added a lot of profit on these accounts through the day. This account I didn't trade. That was just to open and close a trade, basically. Quick scalp. And this is the Bulenox account that I needed to trade that day to count as 10th trading day. But I was already at the profit that I needed to request a withdrawal. And with Bulenox, they force you to keep a cushion in the account. So you can't take out the first 2,500, the safety net on the 50K account. Therefore, you're forced to keep it. And I think it's more beneficial that way to just keep that cushion even in your Apex accounts. But at the same time, the first few payouts, just so you can make this journey either free or a lot less expensive or even profitable, get your first few payouts when you have them. Don't blow the accounts when you have the cushion, when you have the payout, basically in your hands, and then you keep trading, try to grow a cushion, and then you lose those accounts. I've done that. I've lost a few accounts like that, and it really, really hurts. But now that I've made a lot of withdrawals, I think it's easier to let those accounts grow. But anyway, we're already at 9 minutes, and we didn't go over today's P&L yet. But 741 on Friday, finished the week up 4,500, and it felt like a red week, to be honest, mentally. But overall, it was still a great week for the accounts. All right, so that was Friday. And Friday, we lost the 3 accounts. So we lost 4 accounts in 2 days to end the week last week, which was kind of a bummer. But we're back to 6 accounts. So it's not the best, but one of these days, Thursday, I think, or Wednesday, I forgot to open and close a trade on a new evaluation that was already passed. And I just needed to, open and close trades. And I got that account this morning, and this is this account. So it's the brand new account right here. And that account is now going to miss a payout window for October 5th by 1 day. and that is a bummer. So one day missed of opening and closing a trade because I just totally forgot and I was in home and just slipped my mind. Now I'm gonna miss a payout with that account. So I'm only gonna be able to request a payout for 3 accounts come next week from Apex. But I'm getting a payout from Bulenox this week, and I should be able to get a payout from a second account from Bulenox the following week. So this Friday, I'll be able to request a payout for the following Wednesday. So 2 Wednesdays in a row, I should be able to get $1,500 each per account. And I'll show you guys the balances in those accounts. But today was a great day. Today was my first ever $3,000 day as a funded trader with futures only. I've had, I've mentioned those days before, $35, $37, $3,800 when I took my best futures trades, and a stock trading day was really good as well. Today I didn't take any trades with stocks. Thank God I didn't take one of the stocks that went bonkers. But anyway, finished the day at zero. I haven't taken a stock trade in 3 days actually, so it's been pretty slow for me there. But this was my first 3K day as a funded futures trader, and I had an amazing day overall. I've made a lot of profit today with evaluations as well, using this not new, but my older strategy that I'm gonna try to keep working with, because it's very hard to just trade once a day and then keep growing more accounts when you have only one opportunity a day. When copy trading doesn't work out, you have to copy trade too many accounts at once, and that's how things go wrong. I want to be able to trade throughout the day, at least the first couple of hours of the day if I can or I have to. Having the opening range trade is a great thing to have if I am not able to be at home. I'm still going to take that trade every single day, and hopefully it works out. If it does, then I should be able to get even bigger profits on the day because I'll be able to add to those accounts. But overall, 575, 571, 500, 822 on the brand new account, 87. This is the account that I didn't really trade again. This is the Bulenox I got a withdrawal from that I'm waiting to get it cleared on Wednesday. And then this is another Bulenox account that I am requesting hopefully a payout this upcoming Friday. All right, so I could show you guys the accounts here. So this was the day for my Apex accounts. I mean, you guys could see an amazing day between all the evaluations. So I'm doing a bunch of evaluations. Some of them I'm just gonna, make a couple $100 a day if I can, and just have them traded at multiple days. So that way, when I do lose a funded account or whatever the case may be, I'm able to just, have these already close to passing, at least with the minimum days. The minimum days is what takes the longest. And if I am, let's say, in need of an account, then I can, just try to make $2,000 in one single day. So instead of trading multiple accounts, so let's say I made 352 on this account, that was the account I traded by itself. Then I moved on to this account and I made a little bit on this account. But if I just combine, I could probably pass an evaluation in one single day if I really, really tried, or at least 2 days. So I really want to have some accounts at, 7 days traded when I need them. All right. And then when it comes to Bulenox, so this is one account. So this is the one I took a request from. So this is $4,200 in this account. So I requested $1,500 from this account. Again, these accounts, you can't take out the first 2,500. So that's that. And then the second one is also at 4,000 now, but that got to 4,000 today because I made $480 on it. And I'm hoping to get a payout from this account on this Friday, or request a payout this Friday for the following Wednesday, which Bulenox processes their payouts on Wednesdays. And then next week, we will also hopefully get 3 payouts from Apex. So it's like the payouts are coming so fast now. And I know initially when we start trading, the payouts seem to be very, very hard to get to. It takes a long time. But once you actually start getting some payouts and you have multiple firms going, things just come so fast. I mean, it's one payout after the next. You don't have enough days in between payouts sometimes to really get to that payout threshold. And you really have to either up your size, or but if you want to trade small, you won't even be able to get to that payout every single time. And it's okay, you know, that's why they have multiple windows. But I hope to be able to get a payout every week, basically from Bulenox. If that's the way they work, it's 10 days traded, but I don't know when the 10 days reset. Is it on the day I request a payout, or is it when I actually receive the payout? So I'm not sure how that works, but it would be awesome to get, you know, $1,500 a week from Bulenox between the two accounts. You know, they will be alternating. And then hopefully with Apex, I could build back up to 10 accounts. It's going to take some time, but I really hope that maybe the second payout in October is in the 5-figure mark. That's the goal, but we'll see. 15 minutes on this video, 16 minutes already. I've, again, no idea where time goes. I feel like I just started making this video and it's already 16 minutes. So time flies when you're having fun. Again, guys, thank you so much for all the amazing support. Take advantage of Apex Excel. It's still the best option, I think. Bulenox is also great. I don't have an affiliate code with them, but Bulenox has a lot of different perks. Overall, Apex, I think, is better. But if you are using Quant Tower, for example, like me, and you're able to log into multiple firms, then you could try TopStep, you could try Bulenox, and see what works best for you. But yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video, which I'm not sure when it's going to drop, either Wednesday, or if I have my best trading day. Let's say if I have a better day tomorrow, then I might make a recap. And yeah, I would love to go live too one day, but I just don't know if I want to trade live. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, guys? Talk to you soon.